this math problem. I hope there is someone who could help me.
Tommy! What's up? How are you?
I'm confused by this.
Need some help with calculus?
Yes.
I'm so ready to help you! Yay! Okay, Dahe, let's look at the problem first.
Okay.
Finding the volume of a solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by y equals 6x minus x squared and y equals 0 about the line x equals 8. This is the cylindrical shells problem. Let's start. If the cross-sections of the solid are taking parallel to the axis of revolution, we use the cylindrical shell method to find the volumes of the solid. Okay, let's start drawing y equals 6x minus x squared first. We factor this equation first. X times parenthesis 6 minus x equal to 6, and we have zeros at x equals 0 and x equals 6. So we draw, there's a 0, 0, and 6, and we draw a graph here, and we said we're rotating this graph by line x equals 8. So we draw like x equals 8, and there's 8.
Is this a joke? Are you kidding me? Tahe, I can help you with this math problem more than Michelle can. I have this great metaphor that'll help you understand cylindrical shells.
What is it?
Get out of here. Let me talk to Tahe. Hi Tahe, you're having a problem based on cylindrical shells?
Yes.
Well, let me teach you how that works. So this is my metaphor. Take a roll of toilet paper, okay? Basically what cylindrical shells is doing is you imagine you're peeling this. So you take off the first layer. Oh, hold up. Taking off the first layer. Okay? You take off the first layer and you measure this. Okay? And then you take off the second layer and you measure that, and you do this infinitely to get to the volume of this. And this is just like your problem here that you have before you. Okay, Tahe, so let's continue with my metaphor. So the equation for the volume of cylindrical shells is equal to, the volume is equal to the integral from a to b of 2 pi x of f of x dx. So let's take back the strip that I took from here, okay? So 2 pi x is equal to the circumference of a circle. So if you imagine this as a circle, the length of this section is the circumference. So that makes up this portion. And then f of x is representative of the y value, which is the height. So the height of this strip is considered f of x. Does this make sense?
Stop! It's my test to explain. Go away!
Geez, let me just take my props with me then. You can teach him your own way.
Tahe! How dare you talk to son? Don't do it again, but I'm gonna help you now. Here's a graph. 6x minus x squared. And let's say we're taking this region and rotating here over x equals 8. The picture will look like this. This is the part that we rotated, and we rotated around this line. This is the x, and the radius of the shell will be 8 minus x.
Okay.
Let's use this formula. Volume equals integral a to b 2 pi x, which is the circumference, and times f of x, which is the height. Integral from 0 to 6. 2 pi x times 8 minus x times 6x minus x squared dx. This part is the circumference because 2 pi x times radius, 8 minus x is radius, and this is the height, 6x minus x squared. I'm going to solve this equation right now. Let's put 2 pi in front and solve this problem. I solved the multiplication already. 40x minus 8x squared minus 6x squared plus x cubed. And then let's solve this further. 2 pi x integral from 0 to 6, 48x minus 14x squared plus x cubed. Now we're doing antiderivative right now. 2 pi x, and we have antiderivative here, 24x squared minus 14 over 3 x cubed plus 1/4 to the x to the 4th power, and from 0 to 6. We do more multiplications and get 2 pi times 612, and then for total we get 1,224 pi. Yay, we're done, Tae!
Oh yeah, thank you for helping me. But Sam also helped me, so.